everyone. In this video, I'll be talking about poultry farming. In this type of animal husbandry, domestic poultry are raised to produce eggs and chicken. These are raised to produce eggs and chickens. Now, how we develop poultry? In this, we can crossbreed Indian varieties of poultry with the foreign breeds, with the foreign varieties. Indian varieties such as Asil or Basra, these can be crossbreed with foreign varieties such as Rhode Island Red or Leghorn. Their crossbreeding can develop varieties of poultry which have the following characteristics. First, they produce large number and good quality of chicks. Large number and good quality of chicks. Second, they produce dwarf broiler parent for commercial chick production. Please note that broiler are the birds grown for obtaining meat. They can be used after 20 weeks when sexual maturity has been reached to lay eggs. Third, they can also have high tolerance to high temperature. This quality is known as summer adaptation capacity. Fourth quality is they also require low maintenance. They also require low maintenance. Fifth characteristic is there is also reduction in the size of egg laying bird with ability to utilize more cheaper diets. So there is reduction in the size of egg laying bird. This is all about poultry farming. In the next video, we'll talk about egg and broiler production. So stay tuned.